Deep time, a realm of unimaginable scale, it stretches back billions of years. Our planet bears witness to events both cataclysmic and subtle. These events have shaped the world we know. In this vast expanse of time, life has taken countless forms. Many are lost to the mists of time. But sometimes, the Earth offers us a glimpse into its distant past. Recently, two remarkable discoveries have unlocked secrets from this ancient world. On one side of the globe, the colossal bones of a long-lost giant have emerged from the Earth. This discovery reminds us of the incredible creatures that once walked our planet. On the other side of the world, the faintest whispers of color have been found. These colors are over 1 billion years old. Imagine a time when life was just beginning to paint the Earth. These discoveries offer a tantalizing glimpse into a world long gone. These discoveries ignite our imagination. They remind us that the Earth holds many secrets, we are just beginning to uncover them. Let us journey back in time. Let us explore the world of giants and ancient colors. The story begins in Argentina. This land is a paradise for paleontologists. The desolate, windswept plains of Patagonia hold a secret. They whisper tales of a time when giants ruled the Earth. Here, amidst the ancient rocks, a team of scientists unearthed something extraordinary. They found the remains of a dinosaur. Not just any dinosaur, but one of the largest animals ever to walk the planet. This colossal creature is a new species of titanosaur. Titanosaurs were a group of long-necked plant-eating dinosaurs. They were among the largest animals to ever live. This new discovery is a true behemoth. Scientists estimate it measured over 120 feet long. It weighed as much as 15 African elephants. Imagine the ground shaking beneath its feet. The discovery of this giant dinosaur is significant. It adds a new chapter to the story of the titanosaurs. These gentle giants were once widespread across the globe. Their fossils have been found on every continent. Each new discovery helps us to understand their evolution. We can learn about their behavior. We can even imagine what their world was like. Argentina has a long and rich history of dinosaur discoveries. Why is this South American country such a hotspot for paleontological treasures? The answer lies in its geology and ancient climate. Millions of years ago, during the Mesozoic era, Argentina was a very different place. Lush forests and vast floodplains covered the land. Dinosaurs thrived in this environment. They grew to enormous sizes. When these giants died, their remains were often buried in sediment-rich environments. These environments were perfect for fossilization. Over millions of years, the sediments hardened into rock. The bones of the dinosaurs were preserved within. Today, the dry, exposed landscape of Patagonia provides ideal conditions for fossil hunting. Wind and erosion slowly reveal the secrets buried beneath the surface. For paleontologists, it's like peeling back the layers of a time capsule. Each new discovery helps to paint a more detailed picture of the prehistoric world. The discovery of this giant titanosaur is more than just finding bones. It's about listening to the stories those bones have to tell. By studying the dinosaur's skeleton, scientists can learn about its anatomy. They can understand how it moved and what it ate. They can even piece together clues about its behavior and the environment it lived in. For example, the massive size of the titanosaur's leg bones suggests it was a slow-moving animal. Its long neck would have allowed it to browse on vegetation high above the ground. Like other titanosaurs, it likely lived in herds for protection. Every bone, every tooth, every footprint tells a story. These stories help us to understand the intricate web of life that existed millions of years ago. They allow us to connect with the distant past and appreciate the incredible diversity of life that has graced our planet. Section 5, Across Continents and Time, a Colorful Discovery. Our journey into the past now takes us from the sun-baked plains of Argentina to the desolate beauty of the Sahara Desert. Here in the heart of Mauritania, lies another kind of time capsule. It's not filled with bones, but with something far more delicate: color. Scientists have unearthed the world's oldest colors. These colors date back an astonishing 1.1 billion years. Imagine that. These pigments, locked away in ancient rocks, predate the dinosaurs by hundreds of millions of years. They offer us a glimpse into a time when life was just beginning to diversify. The world was a very different place then. The discovery of these ancient colors is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry. It's a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, clues to the past can be found. Section 6. The Sahara's Secret: Unearthing Ancient Hues. The discovery of these ancient colors was made possible by a combination of chance and scientific curiosity. Researchers were studying rocks formed in ancient marine environments. They were looking for evidence of early life. What they found was far more vibrant than they could have imagined. The rocks contained fossilized molecules of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment that gives plants their green color. It allows them to absorb sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. These chlorophyll molecules were incredibly well preserved. They provided scientists with a snapshot of the colors that existed in these ancient ecosystems. But these pigments weren't just green. Analysis revealed a surprisingly diverse palette. There were shades of purple, red, and even pink. These colors were produced by other photosynthetic organisms. These organisms thrived in the shallow seas that once covered this part of the world. Section 7. A billion-year-old palette painting the prehistoric world. The discovery of these ancient pigments is significant for several reasons. First, it pushes back the fossil record of color by hundreds of millions of years. Before this discovery, the oldest known pigments were around 540 million years old. These pigments came from the Cambrian period. This was a time of rapid evolutionary change. Second, this discovery provides valuable insights into the early evolution of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants and other organisms convert sunlight into energy. It's one of the most important biological processes on Earth. It's responsible for producing the oxygen we breathe. The discovery of these ancient pigments suggests that photosynthesis was already well established over a billion years ago. It was playing a vital role in shaping the Earth's early atmosphere and ecosystems. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, this discovery allows us to imagine the world of the past in a whole new light. Quite literally. These ancient colors provide a tangible link to a time when life was just beginning to paint the Earth with its vibrant hues. Section 8. Connecting the dots, giants and colors in the grand tapestry. At first glance, the discovery of a giant titanosaur in Argentina and the unearthing of billion-year-old pigments in Mauritania might seem unrelated. One speaks of colossal creatures that roamed the land, the other whispers of microscopic colors that once painted the ancient seas. However, both discoveries are threads in the same grand tapestry. They are threads that tell the story of life on Earth. Both discoveries highlight the interconnectedness of our planet's history. The giant titanosaur, with its massive size, reminds us of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. It shows us the power of evolution to shape life in extraordinary ways. The ancient pigments, on the other hand, offer a glimpse into the very foundation of life on Earth. They speak of the early days of photosynthesis. They tell of the gradual oxygenation of the planet. Together, these discoveries remind us that the Earth's history is not a linear progression of events. It is a complex and interconnected web of life, geology, and climate. Each new discovery, whether it's a giant bone or a microscopic pigment, adds a new thread to this tapestry. It helps us to understand the intricate connections that bind all living things together. Section 9. A Journey Unfinished, the ever-unfolding story of life. The discoveries of the giant titanosaur and the ancient pigments are not the end of the story. They are merely the beginning of new chapters in our understanding of the past. As we continue to explore the Earth's hidden corners, we are sure to uncover even more secrets. These secrets will illuminate the history of life on our planet. The Earth holds countless stories waiting to be told. With each passing year, new technologies and innovative approaches allow scientists to delve deeper into the past. We can unravel the mysteries of ancient life with greater precision than ever before. The journey of discovery is never truly finished. The more we learn about the past, the more we realize how much more there is to know. So let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of our planet's past. For in understanding where we came from, we can better chart our course for the future.